Now in today's topic, we will be talking about median, which is also called middle value or middle position. Now first of all, imagine that you are given three numbers, 1, 2 and 3. So what is the middle number? The middle number is 2, therefore your median for this question would be 2. Moving on, what if you have four numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4? How will you find the median? So the middle numbers in this question are 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5, and divide this number by 2. So your mid value or median would be 2.5. Now the formula for calculating the middle position is total number of data plus 1 divide it by 2. For example, if you have three numbers 1, 2 and 3, so the total number of data would be 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. This means that the median would be the second number in the question. So in this case the second number is 2. This formula is to be used if the numbers you have or the data you have is huge. Now another important thing for median is that you always need to arrange your data in ascending order or descending order. It's easier if you do it in ascending order, which means from small to big. Now for example, if you are given the numbers 1, 3, 7, 5 and 4. Now first of all you need to arrange this data in ascending order. Ascending order would be 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Now the median or the mid value in this case is 4. Moving on, let's try some questions now. For example, in question 1 part A, you are given 7 numbers in total. So what you have to do is apply the formula 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. This means that the middle value would be 4. But first you need to arrange the data in ascending order. So the data would be 1, 3, 5, 6, 6. Now once you have arranged the data, find the fourth number. Which is the fourth number? This is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4th. So the median in this case would be 5. Now let's move on to part B. First of all, find the middle position. Total numbers are 6. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 7 divided by 2, and the middle position is 3.5. Now let's arrange the data in ascending order. So the data would be 25, 28, 29, 30, 33 and 37. Now which is the number 3.5? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.5 means that you need to add 29 and 30 together. So 29 plus 30 divided by 2. Therefore, your median would be 29.5. Now, let's do part C. So, in part C, count the total numbers. The total numbers are 7, so 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2, so 4. This means that the median would be the fourth number in fourth position. Now arrange the numbers in ascending order. I have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now which number is the fourth one? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This means they are in question 1 part C. The median would be 2.8. Now let's move on to part D. So how many numbers are there? There are 8 numbers in total. Therefore 8 plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 divided by 2 and your middle number would be 4.5. Now arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now I have arranged the numbers in ascending order. So which number is in the 4.5 position? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This means number 4 and 5. So 12 plus 13.5 divided by 2 and your median would be 12.75. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.